Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma today clarified that the state government has barred any permanent construction on Lumpongdeng Island in the Umyam Lake. The clarification came in the wake of a hunger strike launched by members of Green Tech Foundation outside the Meghalaya Secretariat, who have been demanding that the lake be kept free from tourism-related projects. Addressing the concerns raised by the protesters, the Chief Minister indicated that the government has already put restrictions in place to ensure that no permanent structures are developed on the island. The protest by the organization was aimed at urging upon the state to completely exempt Lumpongdeng Island from any form of development, citing potential environmental risks and long-term ecological impact.
Dear friends, there have been some concerns that have been raised in the public regarding the Lumpongdeng Island. I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.